Welcome to Tech Beginner. This is Linkesh. Today's section we are going to discuss about PCB. What is PCB? PCB is a printed circuit board which is used in all the components. Okay. Without having any PCB design, we don't have any. Is in single electronics also we don't have. Okay, that much of necessity the PCB is. Okay, what is PCB and what is the benefit of PCB? Why I want to learn PCB? So first, here benefits of PCB. If you learn PCB, you will get a work experience in the board. That is PCB board, you will get work experience. And here exposure to complete PCB designing and manufacturing. Yes, next, explorer of best learning practice you will get. Why? Because when you are learning PCB, you are going to learn with the components. So this way you will get a very good knowledge about electronics component and understanding of the project designing. So here we are not going only for teaching PCBs and all. So additionally we are going to teach the knowledge of PCB designing, how the PCBs work and how the components A to Z we are going to teach you. And what is PCB means? Here I have showed one small demo PCB board. So this is a PCB board. Here I am using a lot of components. Okay. Simply I say PCB board is a collection of components soldered in a one single board. That is called PCB board. Okay. So what are all the components we have? We have two type of components. One is SMD components, through-hole components. We have two. So what is the difference between SMD and through-hole? SMD components, it's a surface mount device. We have components, we are placing the components on the board and the soldering there itself we are placing. If it is, I am taking through-hole components. The through-hole components on the board I am placing the components, and bottom side I am soldering the board. So that is the difference between through-hole components and SMD components. Like this we have a lot of components. We have like a resistor, capacitor, inductor, transistors, rectifiers, diagram, diodes. We have a lot of components we have. And we are going to discuss in our section each and every, what is a resistor, what is the working principle, capacitor, working principle, and transistor, working principle. So we are going to discuss a lot about that in our section. And how our class will be go. First we are going to learn about PCB, and when you are learning PCB we are going to learn about the components. Without knowing components we cannot do the project. Yes. So first the types of PCB we are going to learn. In these types of PCB we are going to learn single layer and multi-layer. What is single layer and multi-layer? Single layer have only one layer, and multi-layer we have 2 layers, 3 layers like this. And the difference between, in single layer only one side only components we have, only one side only we can do routing. For multiple layer, both the side we have components, both the side we have a routing. That is the difference. Okay. If you take a board, we have a silk and root and mask. So what is silk? All name, which is the component's name, values, company names, everything is comes under silk. And what is routing? Routing is nothing, it's a routing, connecting between one terminal to another terminal. What is mask? It is a soldering mask. So I am avoiding the short circuit or ground loss, copper loss, whatever the loss I am avoiding now. So that is called mask. So this is applicable for two side also, for single layer and 2 layer. So this is the one methodology. Okay, when you are going to learn PCB designing, we have some points we have. One is footprint, pad stick, wires, tracks, color of layers, PCB tracks. So what is footprint? What is pad stick? What is wires? What is tracks? What is color? What is PCB tracks? So this one by one we are going to learn in our sections. Okay. So this is the basic components we are using in our board. Without using this board, we cannot make a one small circuit also, we cannot learn. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.